What's good, my peeps? Calvin B back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, well, we got the unboxing for the iconic gaming combo kit. Now this thing has a full color spectrum and is color changing. I gotta say that I'm super excited for these headphones. All right, guys, look at these headphones. Look at everything else. But the headphones is what I'm mostly excited about. Goodness, all right. But to start off, pretty much, I got this gaming combo kit for Christmas. And I want to say shout out to my brother and my sister. And I really do appreciate this. A review for this will be coming out, but for right now, we're going to be doing a unboxing for this. I'm going to show you guys what comes in this box, what these things look like up close and personal, and let's go ahead and get into it without further ado. Now, of course, we got a three-piece set. We got the mouse, the keyboard, and the headphones. This is Iconic's brand, but we got everything up here, just Iconic three-piece gaming set. Go ahead. I know you really can't see that, but it's pretty much the same on every side. Now here we get a better look at what everything looks like. Of course, we got the keyboard. Now it does say that you got some ghosting keys on here. You got wait a second, for the key for the mouse. Actually, this is a 7-button mouse. And that brings me to this. The mouse that I love, that I use on a daily basis is this. This is a 7-key mouse, or 7-button mouse, but we're not talking about that today. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Let's go ahead. No tape on this, so no troll. No troll. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now I might have to take this off the table mainly because the box is just so big. Alright. Actually we do got some tape. Oh man, I should have had the unboxing knife ready, which I do because it's right here. You know what I'm saying? Alright. There we go. Take that off. Alright. The moment of truth here. Oh, all right. Let me start. All right, so we got the classic styrofoam. Let's go ahead and take that out. We got our keyboard. We're gonna set that to the side for right now. Dang, that thing feels hefty. Oh my gosh. Now, of course, like I said before, I got this for Christmas, so I don't know how much this costs, but I'm going to actually make a guesstimate on how much this thing costs without looking online. And maybe we can get Kevin or Jasmine up in this video. We got some instruction manuals. All right. We got the headset. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys are gonna have to wait on that one. All right, let's see. We got our mouse, which is trolling me just like the last time. All right, nothing else in this box. Let me see if there's anything over on this side. Nothing on that side. All right, but let's go ahead and move this out of the way so we can finally get into this thing. All right. Starting off, there's something about these boxes, they just love falling off of stuff. All right, let's go ahead and organize this. So of course we got our usual books and stuff, instruction manuals, warranties, all that stuff. All right, and I think you actually get one for each. So you got an instruction manual for the headphones, the keyboard, and also the mouse, which is interesting. Usually it all comes in one booklet. But let's go ahead and put that over to the side. Let's start with the smallest thing first, all right? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Dude, I want to see what this thing looks like plugged up. And actually, we'll take a look at that. But we got the 2 buttons on the side. We got that button. Oh, I think we have a DPS control on this also. Yo, that's what's up. Alright. This thing feels pretty nice. The quality on it, it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like the Bitech or the Bitech mouse or anything like that. Or even the Level Up Pro Gaming mouse. This feels a little bit more heavier. Alright. Now I'm trying not to make this unboxing too long for you guys, because the review, I'm going to get in depth with this. Let's go ahead and take this off. Alright, so this was packaged a little bit better, I gotta say. Alright, so dude, look at these. Look at this. Oh. Alright. Of course, these are over the ear headphones. You got the stretch test, metal on the top. Yo, nice. Alright, we got the mic right here. The mic looks pretty small compared to everything else, but not everything else, but the other gaming headsets. The headset looks a little smaller, or the microphone. Alright, so just like, I believe it was the Bitech mouse, or not the Bitech mouse, the Bitech headphones. We got the red and green cable for the aux and mic, and we also have the USB, full USB. Let's see what this thing looks like plugged up. I gotta do it. All right. I was gonna wait, but you know what? Forget it. Let's go ahead and plug this thing up. All right, we got this plugged up. Oh man. Okay. Now I'm not sure if this is customizable, but we will be seeing about that in the review. That's something I will be checking on. This thing looks nice. Oh man. Now on the box it does say it's color changing, so yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and do the mouse now. This will probably be too short to get on camera, but let's see if we can pull this out a little bit. Just put that up to the top. Alright, here we go. Dude, look at that. Now, not as much color on the mouse that you do with the headphones, but you can see that the outlines of it is changing. You got the branding here. Dang, that's nice. Goes all the way around the back. All right, enough of that. Enough of that. We'll look more into that when it comes to the review for these, for this combo kit. Let's go ahead and get into what we call the beast, because this thing is huge. All right, this thing is huge. No wonder the box is so big. This thing is huge. It feels, this thing has some weight to it, really thick. Let's see, the keys don't raise up as much as the Bitech keyboard does, but look at that. Of course, let's go ahead and get a preview of what this looks like. What this looks like plugged up. Now, hopefully this actually comes on, because I know that for the other ones, oh man, look at that. All right, I want to see what this thing looks like. No, we're gonna do that in the review. Guys, I'm saving the best for the review, but look at this. As you can see, now I can already tell that I'm kind of sort of disappointed in some things for this. The colors are very vibrant. You can see that for here, you got the green, you got the yellow, you got the orange. The orange you can actually see a little bit better than the yellow. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but the red, purple, it goes into the blue. This color spectrum on here, I gotta say, is pretty good. Now, what I'm gonna do right quick, I'm going to turn off this studio light just so you guys can kind of sort of see that a little bit better. Let's see. All right, so you can kind of see that a little bit better. The color spectrum is a little bit more fuller. Let's go ahead and turn this back on and unplug this. Guys, that is pretty much about it for the unboxing for the iconic gaming combo kit. All right, this thing looks crazy. Like this, I gotta say, I don't know. This has to be this thing has to be, I would have to say around like probably, oh man, like 40-50 bucks, maybe 40-50 bucks, I'm gonna say. And that's I don't know, but you know what, I'm gonna find out for you guys. You guys will find out in the review for this combo kit. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this. Let me know what your predictions is as far as price wise. I know we're not really focused on price because this was a gift and I do appreciate it, but the review will be unbiased and straight up as if I bought it myself. I'm stumbling over my words here, but that's basically about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you happen to, make sure you slap a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe for more content coming soon, and also turn on those post notifications because you already know you don't want to miss out on any other videos I got coming out. I'm pushing hard this year, so let's go ahead and do this. Don't forget to be brave. Stay inspired. You guys know what it is. Yes, you know what it is. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.